Hello and welcome back to my RC channel. I'm AndyRC and today I am not at a pond. This is actually my garden and I've got so much cool stuff that I could be reviewing, but I can't because it is pouring it down to the point where the garden is flooded. And then I thought, hang on a minute, don't I have a quadcopter that is a trifibian? And yes, I do. I still have it. This is the WL Tech Trifibian. So it's a quadcopter. It also floats on the water, but it's got wheels as well. So I thought, I wonder if I could get it going in the garden. So let's see if I can. So first of all, I've got to make sure that it flies. So I'm going to go up on the throttle slowly. And the answer is yes. I'm flying mode 2, so not my native mode. Making it interesting. I can just about manage it, but I've got a lot less space than I had at the pond. But I think I'm just about managing it, so let's see if I can get it in the water. So I've gone into boat mode, which puts the 2 back props forward. Look at that, it's doing it. Can I go over this end of the garden? I should be able to because it's got those wheels, so it shouldn't really get stuck. Oh, it's picked up a leaf though. There we go, I got rid of that. So it turns out, if it's throwing it down and your back garden gets flooded, RC can still save you and you can have a great day still. Although someone's gonna have to come and sort this out for sure. I have to say though, quite enjoying having a pond in my back garden for a little while. Does eventually drain, but I've never seen it as bad as this. We have had rain like this pretty much all year. So there you go. The Trifibian. Don't think you can get it anymore, but if you can, I will link it in the below. I'm glad I certainly kept it for this day, that's for sure. So let's see if I can press the button to transition back to a quadcopter, and there we go. I really should convert this one to mode 1 for the next time that this happens. Back into the water, boat mode, and there we go. Let's see if I can bring it back to myself and level the motors. So there you go. I think I made the best out of a horrendous day. And as always, thanks so much for watching. Please continue to subscribe. Cheers.